Hi, it's Paul from Wolf Software Systems, and this is another very exciting video about things we've been up to. So we obviously have a few Proxmox clusters, and we've been developing software to replace the standard software that you see, just to increase the speed of and the throughput of our applications. So the first thing that I want to talk about is WolfServe, and there it is. And WolfServe is basically a replacement for Apache 2. So what you can do is actually set up Apache 2, get it all running with all the right settings and everything. Then install WolfServe, turn off Apache 2 and turn off WolfServe. WolfServe is much faster, and it's written in Rust, and it's designed to run PHP. You can do things like you can actually write Rust in PHP. You can migrate your libraries. You can have libraries that PHP can call, which is obviously much faster and really good for applications, because some of our clients have quite intensive requirements. So just to give you an idea, this is full, obviously, see how snappy and fast it is. This is running on WolfServe. I'll show you another one that's running on WolfServe. This one here is a really complicated web page. I'll just do a complete reload of it. You see how fast it comes up? Literally instant. And it actually takes about 3 seconds to load the whole page. And this page is full of like database access. So it's pulling from databases all over the place. And you can see that it's snappy and fast. So I'm pretty pleased with the way that this has come out, but it's got a really nice feature, and it's got a basic kind of dashboard, so that you can actually see what is being pulled from the site, how many accesses it's got. This has only been up an hour. This is a new version, and that's really quite useful. So we've got like an overview of it without having to go into the logs and try and trace things. We can just see what's going on with the server. It's taking 10 milliseconds. That's milliseconds, folks, to actually run things. This is a website, actually, but this is also running on WolfServe behind a proxy. I'll talk about the proxy in just a second. So WolfServe is open source, so you can actually try it out. And it's under our Wolf Software Systems Ltd GitHub, and there's WolfServe and WolfProxy. Let's talk about WolfProxy. WolfProxy is a replacement for NGINX that allows us to proxy, because obviously, so this is actually running on a 3-node MariaDB Galera cluster, and it's running. So it's 3 web servers that were Apache 2 but are actually running WolfServe, and our WolfProxy is sitting on the front as a load balancer into the 3 servers. You see how powerful it is, and actually this is under the same. This is actually under the same structure. It's on the same servers, actually. We just keep it on the same place. So, and you can see it is really, really fast, even though it's WordPress. And I think one of the things about WordPress is that, you sometimes get sites that, you really frustrating, because you run them and it doesn't matter what you do, you can't get the speed up. And oftentimes that's not to do with, it is to do with the WordPress itself, because WordPress can get a bit heavy. But it's also to do with the software you're running at the front, because Apache is really old, so is NGINX. So we're really excited to be able to put these replacements in. And the thing is, if you've got an NGINX load balancer, you don't have to change anything. You literally just load WolfServe. Let's pull up a load balancer. Let me find one. Here's one right here. So this is a Debian one, so you can see that there it is. So that's actually WolfProxy running as an NGINX proxy replacement. So if I'll just restart it, so you can see it start up. Systemctl status. But what does this mean for people and our client? There you can see, and it's pulling the different URLs up. Well, what does this mean for us? So really, it's really good at running web applications, PHP web applications, frameworks, WordPress, anything like that. It's a lot less footprint, a lot faster. So WolfProxy and WolfServe kind of work together, but you can use WolfServe with NGINX, and you can use Apache 2 with WolfServe. So you can actually, Apache 2 with WolfProxy, so you can actually have them running together. So yeah, that's really useful. If you want to find out more, just go to our website, wolf.uk.com. Go to our software, and there's details of WolfProxy and WolfServe there. Code Wolf is something else that we're working on with some companies, and basically it's a tool that we use to migrate software from one platform to another. Really good if you've got legacy technical debt, where you've got legacy stuff. For instance, we're working at IBM Power. We've been working on some of their amazing servers and all the software runs on IBM Power, so we're really excited to be involved with that. Yeah, it just all works really well, really fast, and you know, if I'm interested, please do get in touch with us, sales@wolf.uk.com. Get through to us, and we're really excited to talk to anybody who's interested. I hope that's helpful. Thank you very much.